Hello guys, I'm back for another YouTube video today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your server externally to Minehut. This should be a very fast and easy process to do. If you listen to this video, you'll probably get it done within maybe a couple hours or less. And before I begin, I'd like to say you guys should join my server. It's on your screen now. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Alright, the first thing that you guys are going to want to go ahead and do is make a Minehut server. Since you're watching this video, I'm guessing you've already made one. Once you made one, you want to go ahead and go to your server plans. Go all the way down, and it'll say external server. You want to buy that, and it's going to be 800 credits, meaning $5. Once you do that, you'll see all these information saying IP and stuff. If you don't already have a domain, you'll have to buy that. You can get that from Cloudflare, Bisect Hosting, or Apex or some other place. Once you go ahead and get that, you want to put the IP you created right here. You want to put your port right there, and you want to scroll down and click Add Domain. You want to put in your server address that you just made or that you already have. For me, it's a havocserver.com. I would, if I do next, see, I already have it added, so it won't let me. But for you, it should say unverified. You want to click that, and it should say paste this message in the text file. The next step that you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to your domain. Once you go to your domain, go to DNS management, open up a text record, and you want to paste that message inside of where it says value. Once you go ahead and do that, you want to put the TTL to 14400, and then if you haven't already, I'm guessing that you have a record. You have a record. I don't know. Anyways, you want to go ahead and put your IP address if you don't already have one. If you're just getting one, a server domain. And for the TTL, put in 14400. You want to go ahead and make another record, and this time it's going to be an SRV record. Once you go ahead and make that, you want to go ahead and put this right here. Once you go ahead and put that down, you want to go ahead and put your Minehut server address. For me, it's Super Havoc. That's the name that I made my server. And so, since I made it Super Havoc, I had to put down superhavoc.minehut.gg. So now whenever anyone goes ahead and types in my server domain, it'll redirect them to here. And for all I know, it's just connecting seamlessly, like, yeah, pretty much. It's redirecting to connect to that IP through your domain that you created. Yeah, they told me to do this, Minehut support staff. Anyways, the next step that you're going to want to go ahead and do is put down 14400 for your TTL. Priority 1, wait 1, and port is going to be 25565. All of the stuff might look slightly different, but it's all going to say basically the same things. Anyways, you're not done yet. I know. The last step that you're going to have to go ahead and do is put in your startup flags. If you're wondering how to put what, if you're wondering how do you know what your startup flags are, go to external server settings, do setup guide, and bam, this page will load. If you have waterfall, you'll want to go ahead and ask them, your server provider, to implement the startup flag. Same with LilyPad and Paper. And once you have that complete, you'll basically be done, except for the part where you have to go ahead and make your server the proxy. Alright, so it can connect to Minehut. You have all the steps done except this step. You want to go ahead and go to the config inside your file management. Once you're there, go down to Paper Global YML, type in proxy, turn that to true, and if you have Geyser, click on the folder, go to config, and type in your server address wherever you had all those digits at. Scroll down until you see authentication type. Just say auth type for short. Type in floodgate. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is put use protocol to true. Once you do that, restart your server, and bam! Everything will be set up and it'll work. I'm hoping this helped you guys out a lot. And if you guys have any questions, comment below. And join my server, which is on your screen now. And have a good day.